Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about something most of us deal with at some point, headaches. Whether it's tension, stress, or a long day at work, headaches can be a real pain. But don't worry, I'm here to share some simple, effective remedies you can try at home to feel better fast. Let's dive in. First things first, stay hydrated. One of the most common causes of headaches is dehydration. Drink a glass of water and keep sipping throughout the day. Avoid caffeine and sugary drinks as they can sometimes make things worse. Next, grab a compress. For tension headaches, a warm compress on your forehead or the back of your neck can relax tight muscles. If you're dealing with a migraine, try a cold compress on your forehead. It can reduce inflammation and numb the pain. Essential oils like peppermint or lavender can work wonders. Dilute a drop or two with a carrier oil and gently massage it onto your temples and the back of your neck. The soothing aroma and cooling effect can provide relief. Sometimes the best remedy is rest. Find a quiet, dark room, close your eyes, and take deep breaths. This is especially helpful for migraines or stress-induced headaches. Release tension with gentle stretches or yoga. Simple neck rolls, shoulder shrugs, or poses like child's pose and downward dog can improve blood circulation and relax your muscles. Herbal teas like chamomile or ginger tea are great natural remedies. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce headache pain. Plus, sipping a warm beverage is always comforting. If your headache is caused by long hours at a desk, check your posture. Keep your back straight and make sure your screen is at eye level. Take a 20-second break every 20 minutes to look at something 20 feet away. This is called the 20-20-20 rule, and it can really help. Headaches can be frustrating, but with these simple remedies, you can find relief right at home. If your headaches are frequent or severe, always consult a doctor. Let me know in the comments which remedy worked best for you, or share your own tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.